Okay, here we are with the 2006 BMW 325 Xi all-wheel drive with navigation. So I'm going to do the exterior walk around in this video, and then I'm going to make several other videos. So there's already 8 videos of the vehicle while it was being repaired. This is after repair. I've driven it approximately 100 miles. It has 68,030 miles, I believe now. I think it had 67,900 when I bought it. So I'm going to give you a quick walk around. There's someone driving by. Let me point out the rear bumper. There are a few scratches and whatnot there. On the trunk, everything is well, except there's a scratch here. None of this has been touched up, and you can touch it up and make it look better. I just didn't want to hide it, so I haven't touched it up. It's all been waxed and buffed and all, but it hasn't been touched up. Now what I painted was the hood and the front bumper, and both look good, very nice. Previously, someone's painted this door back here, and the only issue I have with it is it's got a little bit of what they call modeling in the paint. I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but where they didn't get the metal flake to spray out real evenly, and so it's not perfect back there, but it's pretty good. Certainly good for just a driver. It does have new brakes and rotors all the way around. It runs great, drives nice, it's very presentable. Let's see if we can take a look inside of her. Here's our VIN number, just so you can see. Tire information. Nice clean floors, nice seats. Let's get back here in the back, take a look what we got here. Oh, gotta unlock it. Okay. Pardon my briefcase over there. Let me take that out so you can see over here. Let's go on the passenger side now. There you go. I think that covers pretty much all of the interior. Let me stick my briefcase back in here, and then I'll pull the hood open, and you can have a look under the hood then. Just give me a moment. going to turn on these headlights and show them to you.
I'm breathing deeper than I've ever done. Sure feels good.
And the radio sounds great. So now I've popped the hood. Okay. Now these are LED headlights. Unfortunately, we don't have shade here right now, so you can't really see. But they look really good. Okay, now you see how it looks like it's flashing? It's not flashing. It's the camera doing that. So that gives you an idea of what the lights look like. They have the angel halos. They light up. You can't see it because it's so bright out today. And like I say, they're not flashing. Those marker lights on the side, they're not flashing. It's just the camera making it look that way. So that's the walk around. The next video is going to be startup and drive and interior functionality and that sort of thing. Thanks for watching.